Start. Para. This is an appeal for quashing and setting aside the order dated 15/4/2023 passed by the trial court in miscellaneous application number 570 of 2023 in CBI special case number 60 of 2004. The appellant is the wife of original accused number 3. The original accused number 3 along with 5 other accused persons were charged in CBI special case number 60 of 2004 for commission of offences under sections 409, 420, 468, 471, 477A read with 120B of the IPC 1860 along with sections 13 in bracket 2 read with 14 in bracket C other bracket D bracket close of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 and tried before the CBI Mumbai in special case number 60 of 2004. Para. The respondent number 1 is the Central Bureau of Investigation Economic Offences Wing Mumbai, at whose instance the present RC came to be registered. The appellant's husband, that is original accused number 3, was then serving as a branch manager in Canara Bank, Chunabhatti branch, Mumbai, in the year 2001-2002 by the judgment and other dated order dated 9/3/2023. The special judge CBI convicted all the accused persons facing trial under sections 420, 468, 471 read with 120B of IPC. The accused were acquitted for the offences punishable under sections 409, 477A of IPC and for offences punishable under sections 13 in bracket C read with 13 in bracket 2 of the PC Act. Para. During the pendency of the trial, the accused of the accused number 3 came to be freezed. During the course of investigation in 2003, a search warrant dated 23/2003 came to be issued by the special judge Greater Mumbai in the name of S. Mahalingam in bracket accused number 3 bracket close at the flat where he was residing along with the present appellant. A Panchanama dated 21/3/2003 came to be drawn and 17 documents belonging to the appellant were taken charge. 2 accounts were freezed by the bank at the instance of CBI due to the alleged involvement of appellant's husband in the criminal case. The 2 accounts, that is SB account number 16897 belonging to appellant and another SB account number 16534 jointly belonging to the appellant along with Miss Maya Madhuvati in bracket daughter of Mahalingam and the appellant bracket close maintained with Andhra Bank, Ghatkopar, East Mumbai, were freezed by CBI EOW Mumbai with an amount of rupees 2,55,181 lying in the said account. Para. The appellant had preferred an application before the special judge for return of all the 17 documents and for defreezing the above mentioned accounts by an order dated 21/7/2004. The trial court had partially allowed the application and permitted the appellant to withdraw and utilize the amount of rupees 55,181. Balance amount of rupees 2 lakh was directed to be invested by the respondent CBI in the name of SP CBI EOW Mumbai in the State Bank of India DN Road Branch, Fort Mumbai, initially for a period of 3 years to be renewed from time to time during the pendency of the trial. The order dated 21/7/2004 has a bearing on the present appeal and hence needs to be reproduced, which reads thus. After the trial concluded, the appellant made an application under section 452 of the CRPC being miscellaneous application number 570 of 2023, seeking orders for disposal of the property, the amount of rupees 2 lakh with interest. The trial court, by the impugned order dated 15/4/2023, rejected the application. Para. Perusal of the order would demonstrate that the trial court was of the opinion that it has become functus officio to pass orders relating to release of the amount in favor of the appellant. The request was made by the appellant for release of the amount of rupees 2 lakhs, which was invested on the ground that the appellant requires the said money for her medical treatment. Stop.